From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Salesforce Certified Slack Developer, Slack-Dev-201, exam. What is Salesforce Certified Slack Developer exam? Who should take the Salesforce Slack Developer exam? Salesforce Certified Slack Developer exam information. Salesforce Certified Slack Developer exam. Knowledge skills. Best preparation strategies for the Salesforce Certified Slack Developer exam. 1. A Slack app is being developed for an HR team to collect employee feedback on workplace satisfaction. The feedback needs to be detailed and structured. Which interactive component would be most suitable for this purpose? A. Utilize a bot to ask questions and collect feedback via direct messages. B. Use an interactive message with buttons for employees to select their satisfaction level. C. Create a dedicated channel where employees can post their feedback. D. Implement a modal with a form that includes various fields for detailed feedback. Answer: D. 2. Your team is designing a Slack app for company-wide announcements that need to reach all employees efficiently while minimizing disruption. What design would be most effective for this purpose? A. Develop a bot to send individual direct messages to each employee for every announcement. B. Post announcements in a general company-wide channel where all employees are members. C. Create a modal that pops up for every user when there is a new announcement. D. Use an external email service to send announcements, with summaries posted in Slack. Answer: B. 3. A company wants to develop a Slack app to assist employees with IT support queries. Which Slack surface should be primarily used to facilitate quick and efficient interaction for submitting and tracking these queries? A. Implement an app home for submitting and tracking support queries. B. Use direct messages to a support bot for each query. C. Post queries in a dedicated IT support channel. D. Use Slack's email integration for submitting queries. Answer: A. 4. A marketing team uses Slack for collaboration and wants to automate the process of sharing social media analytics within their workspace. How can this be best achieved? A. Manually post social media analytics in a dedicated Slack channel. B. Use email notifications to share social media analytics with team members. C. Develop a custom Slack app that automatically posts these analytics. D. Encourage team members to check the analytics platform individually. Answer: C. 5. When developing a Slack app that sends sensitive data to a server, what is a crucial step to ensure secure communication? A. Sending data using plain HTTP to ensure compatibility with all servers. B. Encrypting the data at the application level before sending it to the server. C. Using a public server with high traffic for increased anonymity. D. Frequently changing the server's IP address to avoid detection. Answer: B. 6. What is an important expectation to meet when submitting an app to the Slack directory? A. The app must offer unique functionalities not found in any existing apps in the Slack directory. B. Providing a subscription-based monetization model within the app to ensure ongoing financial viability. C. The app should be capable of functioning independently without any integration with Slack's APIs. D. Ensuring that the app adheres to Slack's security standards and has passed a thorough security review process. Answer: D. 7. In which scenario would utilizing the Slack Audit Logs API be most beneficial? A. For real-time notification of messages posted in specific channels. B. When needing to monitor and review changes in user permissions and access to sensitive channels or data. C. To customize the Slack workspace interface and theme settings for individual users. D. When designing a Slack bot to automate responses to common queries in a support channel. Answer: B. 8. Your company's Slack app is designed to streamline project management. What design decision best aligns with Slack's commitment to a simplified, efficient work life? A. Integration of a dashboard within Slack that provides an overview of project status and key metrics. B. The app posts real-time updates in the general channel about every minor change in project status. C. A bot that sends direct messages to project members every time there is a task update. D. Requiring users to fill out a detailed form in Slack for every task they complete. Answer: A. 9. Your organization's marketing team wants to receive immediate Slack notifications whenever there's a mention of the company on social media. Which Slack feature should be implemented for this requirement? A. Create a bot to send periodic updates on social media mentions. B. Use slash commands to allow team members to manually check for mentions. C. Implement incoming webhooks to automatically post notifications of social media mentions in a marketing channel. D. Set up an app home tab where social media mentions are displayed. Answer: C. 10. In which situation is it most appropriate to restrict a Slack app to a single workspace? A. To maximize the app's compatibility with a wide range of external integrations used across various workspaces. B. If the app's primary function is to serve as a generic tool for task management applicable to any standard Slack user. C. To streamline the process of obtaining feedback from a diverse user base across multiple organizations. D. When the app is designed to meet the specific internal communication needs and policies of a single company. Answer: D. Subscribe and like past question.